might want to be careful. Well, they walked in, didn't even question her, they just fired her. Get your stuff and get out. It's an amazing story. No one has taken the time to interview this person, talk to this person, nothing. No one in the mainstream media is even addressing this Rohrbach story. Nobody else is, only the alternative media, the conservative media. There's been zero mention of this on ABC, NBC, CBS, CNN, MSNBC. Nothing. It's like the story doesn't even exist.
And again, this is in the Me Too era.
Yeah.
This is a story about a cover-up of dozens and dozens of underage girls being assaulted, molested, and all sorts of different horrible things.
And the so-called whistleblower, without any evidence, is taken and fired and thrown out in the street without any explanation.
And think of how remarkable it is the way this goes down, where one competitor calls another competitor in the same industry. McDonald's calls Burger King and says, hey, the person you have cooking the hamburgers, I don't think they should be employed there anymore. And Burger King's like, oh, okay, sure. When the hell does that happen? That doesn't make any sense at all.
Because it's a cabal. It really is a cabal. They all are protecting each other's butts. That's all they're doing.
We were talking on the news and why it matters and comparing it to the thin blue line sort of thing from every single movie where police won't talk bad about them.
Right.
It's like, that's what this is. The media is just protecting itself. And, look, you can make a mistake here. It's plausible that, okay, look, because even with the story being the story, if I have someone who's working for me who's leaking things to opposition media to destroy my company, whether they're right or wrong, I might want to interview them later, but I don't want them working for me. Right? I could totally see. However, when you find out that this person is not the leaker, you should be rehiring them if they want the job. You should be apologizing profusely. You should be clearing their name publicly. And you're going to be on the wrong side of a lawsuit if you don't do those things.
Wrong side of the lawsuit.
And they're just ignoring it.
Yeah.
There's not even the people who cover the media aren't even coming out and saying anything about it.
Brian Stelter?
It's not
that
just
guy?
him, but he's one of them.
No, but isn't he the ombudsman to make sure that the media is fair and balanced, and I'm going to check into everything because I'm the big, huge egghead that I just know what's true and what's not? Hasn't even mentioned it.
It's inexplicable.
Inexcusable.
It's one of these stories that's directly about the way the media is dealing with its own stories. This is an internal story that should be fascinating.